Everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to scan a QR code to join a Telegram group using an app. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your chat screen, tap on settings at the bottom of the screen. After that, scroll down and tap on device. Now tap on scan QR code or link device. Your iPhone camera will open automatically. Point your camera at the Telegram group QR code. Make sure the QR code is clearly visible on other phone, paper or screen. Wait for a second. Telegram will automatically detect the QR code. Once detected, you will see the group preview on your screen. After that, tap join and that's it. You have successfully joined the group using a QR code on Telegram. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.